Hello, hello. Right. Sorry for being a little bit late. A lot late actually. But it's okay. Sometimes it's happen, hey. Alright, we're gonna start soon. Just me set up properly my desktop. Okay, and then I just need to launch Unreal, and we're gonna need Blender also. Alright, let's start this. Alright, hello everybody. We're gonna have to wait a little bit for Blender to finally launch. Okay, so what do we need? What do we need? I don't know. VFX test. Wait a minute. Didn't wait a minute. It didn't save my file the last time. What the fuck is going on with this computer? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, no, it's fine. It's not so bad. Just have to do that, and we should be good. Here we go. All right. So that's what we have. What is it? So we're trying to make a VFX for the dusting when you are jumping on when you're landing on the ground. So that's the we're trying to do that the flipbook way. So that's mean we have to paint it manually and frame by frame. So that's how it's looking for now. And so that's what we are going with. So let me maybe adjust a little bit more the whoop. Yeah, I need to adjust the keyframe. Here we go. So okay, because I know that we need to have a power of 2 because we're gonna put that in all the each frame is gonna be, we're gonna divide the texture, and each frame is gonna store into a part of the texture. So we need to divide it by power of 2. So maybe let's go with the 60 frame. 60 frame is maybe a lot, eh? Yeah, 60 frame is maybe a lot. Let's go with 8 actually. I think it's gonna be enough. And yeah, so that's how it's looking. We could even... just to have fun. Hey Goomba Goomba, how you doing, man? But that's the thing right now. I'm starting to realize it's I don't know if it's the right way, it's the right direction I want to go with this. Because the issue we have there, it's really directional. I just want to say that your IoT game was great. I'm excited about this. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Hope that you're gonna enjoy it as much as you enjoy the IoT game. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Let me bring back the okay, we're gonna have to let's dig into Henry, because I know that there is one of the yeah, this VFX is doing something that I like. Okay, and actually the way I'm seeing this is actually, if I'm soloing just the dusting, yeah, this one. Yeah, it's always facing the camera actually. So should be fine. Okay, we could make it so that it's always facing the camera. We might be working, but we have to pay attention to not making too much velocity, you know, in the flame. Okay, so let's go back and let's keep working on this. Goated. Hey Mason, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so let me just bring back my VFX reference, because I've been using a reference for that. It's from a game which is a Grand Blue Fantasy Versus. I really like the I really love the art style of this game. Where did I put that? I think it's in... yeah, okay, VFX, yeah. Goated, my good. So what does it mean? What does it mean, goated? Is that something that the cool kids are saying now that I'm not aware? I know what is a goat. But yeah, you see this kind of effect is really cool. I really like it. And that's what I'm trying to simulate. Okay, I'm gonna put that on my second monitor so that it's always working on the back. And let's keep working on this. So what it does after that, it's really long streak, you know. So right now I'm just sketching things. It's not the it's not gonna be the obviously it's not the final render or anything. That's loading screen, hella cool. Which loaded screen? From a Grand Brew? That's pretty cool. Let me see on this one. Actually, I'm not sure about this one. Are you making a VFX video? No, it's not really a video. It's gonna be used as there is a trick in Unreal to make a VFX where you are using some different frame and that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, you could say that it's kind of a video, but it's gonna be used as an effect in the game. So yeah, the principle is a little bit the same as a video. So that's mean, for example, I'm trying to create 8 different frame of dusting kind of effect, you know, and that's what I'm gonna use in the game if everything is going all right the way I plan it. I gotta go. Good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck. Have a good day. Have a good night, man. And thank you for coming by. And see you next time, man. All right. Maybe like this. Cool. Maybe a little bit more. Less intense on this side. Yeah, maybe it has been whoop. I don't like this one. This one is looking a little bit weird. Yeah, maybe it's better this way. I think it's going a little bit too quick for me to see, so I'm just gonna tweak. Wait, it's I think it's there. Maybe say it. Okay, so maybe this one will be my last frame, and this one something around there, so that we might need to have something in between. So why not just push this one a little bit more? What do we have? Maybe the spiral. Okay, so let's try to make it clean this time. I'm gonna use what is it? Not sure why my yeah, I don't know. I know why. Okay, I'm being dumb again. So I'm gonna call maybe this one clean. Yeah. This one. Nope, doesn't work the way I thought it would be. Okay, it's better. Maybe making sure that it's not clipping too much on the ground. Okay. Something like this. A mess. Something like this. Oh. I have no idea if it's gonna look good or not. It's the first time I'm doing this. I got the feeling it's not gonna look that good actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's missing something in between there. No. That doesn't work really well, eh? The Ah. Yeah, I'm not sure I like it where it's going, to be honest. I knew it that my skill of drawing would be an issue. I knew it. Actually, I don't like it to draw with the stability stroke. Yeah, it's missing a lot in the there is a frame that is missing. I can see that. Nope. Every time. Yeah, it's between this. Wait, there is 2 times the same frame? What did I do? I forgot one. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. Let me smooth everything. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's missing something. It's missing some volume here. From here to here, we're losing a lot actually. Let me actually how does it work? The nope. Or maybe I could be painting in solid fill. Let me create a new one maybe. Oh, wait, not like this. Yes, like this. So let me grab the solid fill and we're gonna duplicate it and call this solid erase. And the reason why, it's because we're gonna use a pure white color. And so yeah, like that, like this. Yeah, and now I should be able to carve. No, it's nope, crazy bad. What I'm doing? Come on, man. Wait, fuck. I'm gonna copy the frame. Yeah, okay. Let me bring the where it is. Where is it? It's on the here. Yeah, we got. After that, we got this. So I want to push a little bit more. Okay. Mm-hmm. this one I want to use to get back to this. Maybe add maybe something like this. Okay. I really don't know if what I'm doing is good or not. Start to think that's not good. Hmm. I really don't know what I'm doing here. Hello, sorry for not being able to stay, mainly because I do not speak your language and I'm translating this sentence and I have to go to sleep. No problem, Santerito, el traviesito, 69 PM. The pseudo is too long. But don't worry, there is no problem, and thank you very much for being there and to come by and just saying hi. There is don't worry, man. It's really appreciated. So yeah, I'm really not sure where I'm going with that. It's a little bit it's a little bit tricky. I don't know if it's a good idea what I'm doing. Okay. Just for the sake of testing stuff. Why? That's weird. Is it because I'm keyframing that? I don't know. Just seeing a bunch of them just to test how. Well, actually, maybe it could work. Actually, you know, maybe it could work. That could be cool. I could actually. But let's try to do. Try to do a flip book of this right now. You know. Actually, it could work. It could work. Maybe I can do something about that. You know. Let's go to the end. Okay, I'm gonna save this. That's annoying. Dropbox is getting annoying. So that's the character we got, and oh boy. Okay, so how could I render that into keyframe? Maybe I could just... Okay, I'm gonna go back to my camera. I'm gonna hide all my stroke but the first one. Maybe I'm gonna put that in a collection. I'm gonna call this test. So all of them are going into the test. Maybe this one too, but like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make it fit correctly. So I'm gonna grab that. So the biggest frame might be this one, I think. So now I just need to make sure that it's never clip, and it does actually, and it also does here. I might not... Yeah, okay. So we are almost there. Here we go. So now we are always on frame. Actually, maybe I could maybe trick a little bit. Let me see if I'm using my camera and I'm using a render size of 124. Yeah, okay. And let's squeeze it a little bit to make it fit inside. But we gotta save a lot of space this way. Like this. And then maybe we're gonna have to up. Or even on this streak a little bit, just to be sure that we got something inside our frame. Alright, so we are ready to render this. So to render that, how should I... If I'm doing a simple render, does it render the grease pencil? That's my question. Let me see if I'm going into I am in rendering right now. Render image. Ah, yeah, okay. So actually it does. So that's a good news. The only thing is I don't want to render those one. Okay. So probably just have now to first of all so how is done the background? How the background is stroke. Okay, there is a lot of stroke. I have no idea how the background is brought to the scene. Maybe it's in the no. Background. So let me see if I'm going with the... Is there a way for me to... No transparent, eh? Okay, so Let's make a matte tree. So I'm gonna go with, or maybe I can go into there and make I don't remember what it, I think it's in film transparent. No, doesn't work like this. All right, so man, but if I'm going back to this, it's sticking to how should I handle this? So let's ask Google. I think it's the right time. So blend the grease pencil, background in the grease pencil. Ah, it's in the world. Okay. Start to making sense. So it should be there. All right. So if I'm going with the alpha 0, and if I'm making a render now, no, we don't have any alpha for that. So maybe I should also go back into film and transparent. Yes, I think it is. Yeah, we're good. We're good. So now all I need to do is making sure that the solid fill. Ah, man, that's gonna be tricky. Now we got this ugly. Fuck. Nope. Okay, so we're gonna make a matte painting, matte compositing. Okay, let's go with this, and so we're gonna have to use the same color for the this material. Okay. So now I want to render the animation. So we're gonna put the we're gonna put that render VFX dust 01 fake. Fake. Actually, no. Let's go with idea for render. Accept. Okay, and we're gonna save this in PNG. Yes. So if I do render animation, ooh, got something nasty there. I think we got something nasty. Let me go to dust render. Oh no, it's doing fine. It's doing fine. So let's go to our compositing. And how should I composite this? Is it possible to do that in Blender? I wonder. Or maybe no, I'm just gonna use the Substance Designer for packing this. It's gonna be way easier, I think. Not a lot of people on this stream today, eh? I'm really feeling alone. we're gonna create a new substance graph. Gonna call this the VFX dust 01. I should put something to say that it's a flipbook. Let's go with FB. Okay. Let's get rid of all of this. Start fresh. Let's create an output. And we're gonna link. Nice. The crashes start to start today. Been a long time since we didn't have crash. Always fun. Okay, let's try again. And this time let's put it empty. So we say T FX FB dust 01. Okay. Okay, so this time maybe I should go one by one. I mean grabbing. Okay, maybe that was the issue there. So we're gonna link the resource. Okay. And how? Wait, because now I'm starting into Substance Designer, but I don't even know how to. Is there a way to Atlas? What is it? Atlas Scatter? Or maybe Flipbook? Is there something called? No, eh? Designer Flip Book. Let's see if Google has something for this. Not really sure what I'm doing. Input multiple image. Let's see. Unselected image. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna do it by hand. It's not gonna be too long anyway. So I'm just gonna do a transform and the output. The output should be. You know what? Let me do a re-render. It's too big because we're gonna have oh yeah, it's too big. So let me do a re-render actually. Yeah, okay, let me do a re-render. This time, let's use something smaller. 512 by 256 should be plenty enough. So we're gonna do a render animation. Boom, boom, boom. Now we should have the texture that's updated. Yes, it does. And I think there is something wrong with my green, and it's probably because I forgot to do the color management trick, which is put that in. It's already in standard, so I think it's fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. So actually, it's fine. Okay, so if I want to do that, let me see. So this gonna be absolute. It's gonna be 4K by 4K. So we want to make a transform and put that like 0.75. I think it's divided. No, it has no. Ah, it's because yeah, okay, we okay. $50. Okay. There is something. Okay, and no. Okay. Ah, yeah. I'm gonna make it. Don't worry, guy. So transform. First of all, we're gonna scale it correctly. We're gonna okay. So first of all, we're gonna make the. We want the correct output, so we want something 4K by 4K. We want a width 50 and 25. Yeah. Also, we don't want any tile, so no tiling. And we want to put it on 0.5, 1.5. You. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's bring the second one. Copy the node. This one is going to be minus 0.5. So we got this. Perfect. So 3 is gonna be this, but 0.5 we're gonna blend this. Zero 0.5. Okay. This one offset this way, it's gonna be minus 0.5. Like this. This one, it's minus 1.5. Ah, no. No, it's minus. It's there. So the order is important. We need to keep the correct order. This one should be, yeah, minus 0.5. Almost there. Really long, eh? Really a long workflow. I'm not sure I like that. Okay, so now we can make a color color selection, I think it is. No, select material selector maybe, and we want to grab the green that is here. So we got this, and that's gonna be, and we're gonna invert, and that's gonna be our alpha. So we finally got something. So we're gonna output this. That's gonna be our output. Let's save it in VFX dust, something like this, and we're gonna export this with just the name of the graph. It's good. That's the name that's gonna be exported. I like that. And let's create a folder called export with an underscore so that it's always on top, and maps, select folder, export. Phew, finally. So let's go back to Unreal. And let's go into our VFX folder. Create a new folder, dust. Dust 01. Create material folder, and then texture. Is it texture or maps? No, maps. Okay, and now we are ready to import our texture. Okay. So we got an issue where we got this nasty thing here. Let's see if we can. Might have to do with the material selection. If we are playing with the something called tolerance, fuzziness, I think it is. Adding. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it's the padding thing. Yeah. What output? Close. Re-import. Okay, yeah, now it's better. It's better, but it's a 4K. It shouldn't be that pixel, is it? Pixel. Yeah, it's probably a. You might need to play with the fuzziness again. Actually, maybe I should do a blend like this with uniform color, and we're gonna pick the in here. Might help, you know, to have No, it doesn't help that much actually. But it would help. It seems like we got some pixel banding somewhere. That's weird. Yeah, I don't like the quality here. It's a little bit better. Maybe we should bring just a little bit of blur. Like, not like this, obviously. It's not crazy perfect, but okay, export this. Re-import. It's a little bit better, I think. Okay, so let's put that in mask for now. Ah, it's interesting. It's exporting in with alpha. Okay, I'm fine with that for now, but it wasn't expected, so it's a little bit weird. And let's try to make a material from for this. Let me just make sure that's alright. So in material, we're gonna create a new material matte fx dust 01, and I'm gonna put a FB for flipbooks. Oops, forgot the underscore. Alright, so flipbook, let's go. Already forgot how this is working. So obviously I need a texture, so we're gonna the texture object this time, seems like. So I want my dust flipbook. All right, let's go there. Let me grab a tutorial that I follow for that. Let me see. Unreal Niagara flipbook. Oops. So it's this one that's I want to see. I really love this tutorial because they have a really they are really concise. Okay, so it's not a flip. Okay, it's not the right node. I need to find a sub UV. Wait. I think I missed something, right? That is a sub-UV thing, right? So using material, alright. Particle sub-UV. Okay. Gotcha. So we don't need you. No, no thanks, no thanks. So we want a particle sub-UV. Right. I put the dust particle in it. Then what do you do? Convert to a parameter. Cool. Yeah, we could do that too. I can do that. I can do that. Flip put map. Then. Alright, so you're grabbing your texture, so that's I'm already ahead. Bringing a particle color. Okay, yeah, okay. For the material, nothing fancy. So I'm gonna bring the particle color too. We're gonna make a masked material and unlit. Particle color is gonna go into the emissive color. We're gonna grab the R channel and put that into the opacity mask, and I think we are ready for this. Just have to create material instance for this, like this. Let's save everything because I know that Unreal doesn't like me. And this guy is creating, okay, and then okay, let's create our material. So I'm gonna create Niagara system, create empty. So NS dust 01. Okay. And then is adding spawn burst, right? Once fixed one, okay. So we put this. Okay, so this needs to have the dust flipbook. Then we have the spawn burst. No. Spawn burst. Emitter state self. Actually, we're gonna go with the system. Wants one. Then spawn burst, okay, it's fine. And I think it's gonna be something in there that we gotta play with the sub UV. By 4, yeah, that's the thing. So it should be 2 by 4. Yes. And then how do you make it so that particle updates, sub UV animation? Okay. Okay, I get it. I think I get it. So sub UV animation, and we have, wait, linear number of frame. I don't have the same thing. I don't have the did I put it in the particles? Ah, it's in the particle update. It should be, no, it's in the particle spawn. No, wait. Yeah, it's me being dumb. It's in particle update. Okay. So what is this? Okay, that's controlling the speed, it seems like, of the animation. Choose sub animation. Well, time between frames. If I'm putting 8. Okay, so if I'm putting 8, so I got 8 frames, so it's 1 per second. I get it. I think we're gonna go with something like this. I like that. Does he have something else to show? Okay. Ooh, okay. So, okay, so I need to calculate this correctly. So if I want something that's... So right now it's... So, like, maybe if I want to have... So I want to 0.5. and the loop. Okay. I want to go even quicker actually. Okay. So I'm gonna put an offset on the particle, like something like this, so that's the same thing. What it does if I'm spawning several, like 3 and with lifetime different, like a random range between 0.2 and 0.5. Yeah, doesn't work like this, eh? It's tricky, eh? Okay, so let's try something else. So maybe the spawn burst is not maybe a, or maybe actually instead of the lifetime. But I don't get it, this frankly I'm not getting it, this one. Okay, maybe now I get it. The blending is doing something cool. Almost. It's doing something. Okay, so let's go with 0.3. Now I want to have How do I rotate this? Oh, let me see if I duplicate this. Copy, paste. And this one in the mesh renderer, I'm just gonna flip it. How should I do that? Can I do that in the particle mode, like uniform? No, not uniform, non-uniform. No. Actually, it's looking good like this. Like you could have maybe a longer, like 2.3, and this one could have a longer 0.4. Like this. It's interesting. But what I wanted to try was more see if I could go -30 and would be on the other side. Yeah, that's a thing. Location. Set, maybe? No. Okay, let me try something else. Alright, so spawn birds, we're gonna... Oh, we're already spawning 3 of them. We want to make a sphere location. It's way too big. So that this way we can have... Alright, so instead of doing the offset here, I'm gonna do the offset in the sphere location actually. So it's gonna be... No? Doesn't work like this? Ah, I see. So it kind of feel like it's sitting... No, but it... or... distribution on the hemisphere Z. Is it making them always on the... No. Ah, that's interesting. And this one is also weird. Or maybe it should be surface only on outside. No. Ah. Direct. Yeah, it's direct. That's what I was looking for. And the direct is... Yeah, alright, okay. And we're gonna put a random float between 0.9 and 1.1. It's too much, so 0.98 and 1.02. Just to have the feeling that's... Okay. And spawn burst. What is spawn time? Is it what I think it is? Like it's putting a little bit of delay. Random range float. No. Forget about this one. We're gonna put okay, for the lifetime, let's put a random range. So between 0.2 and 0.4, for example. Also, let's put scale, I don't know, size. No. Particular date, size. Scale mesh size, scale sprite size, yes. We want to have a uniform. So why do I see nothing now? Uniform scale. Wait a minute. I should be seeing something. Why is the scale? Okay, it's really bad. It's really bad. Let's go back to the initial idea, which was just one. Let's forget about this scale thing. The sphere location. I'm starting to have a feeling that I might have to use a mesh actually. Face camera, plane custom. Um, let's use a plane. Okay, so let me put the mesh FX. Do I have something like okay. Let's go with particle update size, scale mesh size. But man, I really don't understand how this is working. This scale mesh size, I don't get it. The scale mesh, it's scale, which it means it's a multiplicator, right? I don't get it. Why do I see nothing now? That's fucking weird. I don't get it. Scale mesh. Oh, let me ask. I really have no idea. Unreal Niagara. Scale mesh size not working. What is he saying? Mesh attribute. Ah, okay. So now, d'accord. All right. I get it. Now I get it. Phew. All right. So let me put my render. I mean my material. Best. But yeah, now I need also to set up the sub UV correctly. Sub UV enabling. So we got 2 and 4. Here we go. Now we need to make the proper orientation. First of all, I want to make sure that we got the two-sided on. Okay, so let's do the so for the sphere location, Ah yeah, it's because I put an offset for some reason. For the orientation, so mesh orient, initial mesh orientation. Fuck, I never know how to do that. Vector orientation axis. I never know how to do that. This. Hey, Potabot, how you doing, man? How is the progress? Not so good, to be honest, but we're getting there. I have no idea why. Okay. For some reason I managed to do it this way I wanted, but pretty slow, but hey, I'm learning, you know. Is there a way to play with the pivot? Yes. So for the pivot, is it? No, it's not in the. Okay. So no, it's not on the z-axis. Yeah, all right. Minus 100, maybe. Right. Yeah, a bit too much. Oh, it's under. Front, I don't see anything. That's interesting. From the left, maybe. Nothing. Where are you, buddy? Okay. Yeah, but now I can't see the. It doesn't sit on the. Ah, I'm so stupid. Here you go. That's why. Yeah. But if I put one, yeah, okay. Okay. I was stupid. So now we can have something like this, then. What should I do to make it so that it's always oriented toward the center of the system? Mesh update mesh orientation. So I'm playing with this. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. This represents the axis on which the model was first imported from your DCC package. This vector is then rotated in the direction of the orientation vector. Okay. Alright, so I think it was... Oh, wait. This represents the axis on which the model was first imported. The X vector. Okay, so it should be 1. And this established an initial orientation around which the yaw pitch roll can be overridden. Frankly, I have no idea how it is working. Orientation vector. Oh. Is it going to be attached to the sword? No, it's when you are jumping and you are touching the ground, you're gonna have some dusting effect that would came up, you know, so, a bit like no, a bit like this, like boom, you know. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do in Unreal, but Unreal doesn't want to let me do what I want to do. Annoying Unreal. Okay, so let's ask Google again. Niagara. Orient mesh to vector. Is there something like auto mesh orientation axis? Rotate vector, or I don't know. It doesn't do anything. Fuck yeah. That's perfect. Or maybe it's this one I should have played with. I don't care. I'm very tired. Ah. It's nope. Oh my god. I don't get it. Rotation. Rotate the orientation quad. Orientation quad on English. Rotate vector by quaternion. So if I understand correctly, I want to rotate it on the X. Okay. It's doing something. So 25. Now I want to rotate it on the Z. And it's doing crazy thing. So maybe for the Z. Okay, this one I understand. Right, so this one start to understand. What if I put in two rotations? So one is in the, can I rotate it in the maybe in the initial particle? Nope. Nothing. Right. So let's start with this and then bring initial mesh orientation, another one. Are you okay with that? Aha! Alright, so that we are going places. Okay, so now how do I give it the correct orientation based on the U position? So maybe there is a correlation like 0.75. You should have minus 0.25 and you're perfectly aligned. If you are at 0, you should be at 0. If you are 25, you should be at 25. Yes. Oh my god. All right, so we might have to set a new or existing parameter, and we're gonna do it before parameter location. We're gonna make new. We're gonna make a float. I think it's gonna make a float. New float. We're gonna call this initial. How should I call this? Init. Okay, let's go with I can't rename it. Rename. Init U position. And we're gonna make a random range float. And it's gonna be between 0 and 1. Yes. So this way I should be able to put my sphere location here. We're gonna use our init U position. That's I renamed incorrectly. And the sphere location is gonna need to be relinked to that, right? And this should also make vector, and on the D is gonna use the init U position as well. And now if here we go, finally. So the randomness is a little bit too crazy. I would like to have a little bit more control on the but now it's oriented in the correct way, so that's good. Now for the randomness, how should I do that? Can I have access to maybe like 0 to 20, like 0 1 to 0 2, and then I will multiply. Okay, this would be a range. Say 0 1 and 0 2, and I would be multiplied by the index number. I don't know how it would be called. And I have an index of the like this is particle number 1, this is particle number 2. Doesn't seems like I got this. Pound count, maybe that's what I would be looking for, maybe. Pound count scale, I don't know what that means. Nope, that seems to be doing anything. How could I do that? How could I control the fact that it's I would love to have an index of the that's too bad. Execution index, maybe that's what I'm looking for. Nope. Okay. Let's try something else. Let's try like subtract float. So I would have, let me try this. I would have the index. So is it? Yes. Okay. That's all right. That's exactly what I was looking for. So if I'm doing the so that would mean, okay, so that's the spawn count. Maybe I should put set a parameter there. Can I put that before the spawn counts and create parameter, which be the spawn amount custom on amount, and that would be a range. I said it was a float, but it should be an integer. We're gonna delete this one. Actually, we're gonna create intake. No. Delete? Oh fuck. Yeah, I don't need you anymore. Let me try again. So set parameter. We want integer. Make new common int 42. Spawn amount custom, and it should be a range, random range it between, let's go with between 3 and 5, and this would be used there. Okay, and then this would be used in there to looking tidy. Yeah, it's a mess. So right now just go with 5 for now, just to validate it if it's I'm doing stuff correctly. So if I'm doing a divide and I'm doing 5 divided by 4, nope, it doesn't give me what I was looking for. It's 40 above. Yeah, all right, so it's okay. So we are almost there. I just need to now link my custom. Oh, okay. Okay, fuck. Can I make an integer from the float from integer? That's too bad. Oh, it's there. All right. And now I should be able to find my custom spawn amount. Yes. And so now if I put in like 3, to 5, you see that no matter how much there is, okay, it's choosing a lot of 3, I guess, and never a 4 for some reason. It's either 3 or 5. That's interesting. Is it because I messed up in my... Oh yeah, the 4 is broken. Ah. Is it due to the viewing? I don't think so. I think it's the broken by... Okay, so wait. So right now what I'm doing is subtracting something. We don't need that. Wait a minute, because why is the wait. No, okay. No, it's because what? Normalized. Oh no, it was fine. It was fine. So for some reason, maybe it's because it's 0 to, okay, maybe I need to, It's because I need to add 1. Because we are starting from 0 since it's an index. No, it's debil. It's not there that I should add an index. It's there, so I should copy this. I'm lost. Fuck, man, I didn't plan to spend that much time on this. My god. I don't get it. No, not at all. Thank you for staying there, man. Must be boring to watch. Monetize index include. Wait. 4. Wait, that was this easy actually. Oh my god. Alright, so we can scrap that and just put 4 in there. No, just 1. And we don't even have to have this custom thing. We can just put so now 5, 6, 8, 10. All right, now it's working. I wish I could help. I think I'm too old now to get into designing games. It's never too old. Never too old. Alright, so now, okay, finally, random range, so we can go 3 to 5, alright. And now, okay, now it's behaving, yes, okay, now it's behaving like I wanted. So maybe 4 to 6 actually. And so the reason why I've been doing all this stuff is because now I can do something like take this and add a float. I'm going to put it back here, and we're gonna add a random range float, and it's gonna be -2 and 2. So now it's a little bit more predictable. It's maybe not as predictable as I thought. So there is some variation, but it's never too crazy, like it's missing somewhere, you know. And we could go even tighter. Been playing games since 1980. Wow, all right. But even then, it's never too old. You could start now. Even then. But if you can call a square a ball and a line a tennis racket. Yeah. It's crazy to think how with how much little you could have fun, you know. I'm trying to make some particle and trying to make some math and stuff like this when at some point, at some time, people were having so much fun with just a square and a line, eh? Crazy. Right, so maybe 5 to 6 is better. So now we should be able to play with the lifetime. Maybe go with random range float and something like 0.2 to 0.4. Yeah, all right. And so now we got some variation. That's already a good thing. Let's put some scale also variation. Size, I don't know, I never know. Scale, nothing. Oh no, it's there. It's mesh uniform scale. We're gonna go with. Actually, I never even put that in my scene to check the side of the system. Simulate. Alright, so maybe I need to put the. You know what? I'm gonna save everything. It's been a while I didn't save. It's a mistake. Alright, so just for now and for the for testing, I'm gonna make it infinite. Yeah, right. The side is good. Okay. So now I know that I can play with that with a random range for the float. Maybe like between 2.7 and 1.3. Let's go a little bit more crazy just to see. Seems like it's there is something wrong in my there is something wrong in my sub UV stuff. Sub UV animation. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I think it's a little bit too crazy on the prefer the 1.7 and 1.3. What if I'm boosting like set 7 to 10 just to. All right. Well, I guess it's too big. Oh yeah. I don't know why it's too big. 1.5 to 1.8. Let's go with that. Now it's too small. And maybe the sphere location, bring that a little bit closer. Now there is too much. About 6 maybe. Five to 6. Exactly. That's the what I wanted to do. Same thing when you are jumping. You know, it's kind of effect I wanted to do. And even if you want to dash forward, you know, I can remove the one on the front and just keep some in the back. So you know that behind your foot when you're dashing forward, that could be useful. But yeah, I think that's gonna be all for today. Next time we're gonna do the texturing, so that's we got a little bit more variation into the VFX. It's gonna look a little bit better. But yeah, we made some progress. It's not quick, but we are making some progress. So that's what matters the most, hey. I hate this with a, I don't know. Dropbox doesn't let me save my file for some reason. It's really annoying. Delete everywhere. Yes. Come on. Oh, change. Here we go. You know, it's at some. I need to save it. And it's broken. It's really annoying. Yes, I don't think I'm gonna try to make a custom VFX. It's already taking me so much time to make just one VFX. That's I don't want to you know, to go into the nightmare of doing VFX for all the surface type you could work on. I think it would be way too much. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys. I would say I should say thank you, Paul, because you have been the only one today for some reason. It's a little bit random, the view account, eh? Sometimes there is some people, like almost 10 people. Sometimes there is nobody. I have no idea why. Sometimes it's on the weekend. Sometimes there is people on the weekday. Bit weird. But yeah, it's fine. All right, guy. Have a good. You are in UK, right? So it should be a good night for you. If I see you, thank you very much, man. That's really appreciated. You are a true warrior. All right, see ya, man. See you next time. Have a good night. Bye.